Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to fix Snapchat filters not working. So guys, if you want to apply any filter on Snapchat and filters are not working, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all, you need to open your settings and guys click on Wi-Fi and connect any internet connection with your devices. So guys, if not connected, then you need to connect with any Wi-Fi. And guys, if do not have Wi-Fi, then you need to open your mobile data. And guys, the second method is you need to go back, and second method is update your Snapchat app. So guys, how can you update? Simply you need to open your Play Store, and guys, here you need to search Snapchat, and after this you need to click on Snapchat, and here is the option of update. So guys, you need to update from here simply. And guys, after doing update you need to go back, and guys, the third method is you need to open your settings again, scroll down and click on app management, and guys, after this click on app list, and here you need to find Snapchat as well. So guys, wait for a few seconds for finding Snapchat. So guys, here you can see you need to click on Snapchat, and guys, after this you need to click on storage and cache. Click here and click on clear cache, and guys, after this you need to go back, and guys, after doing these settings, then your problem will be fixed and all the filters are working in your Snapchat app. So guys, after doing all methods, if still not working filters, then guys, you need to uninstall your Snapchat app. And guys, after uninstalling, you need to reinstall again from your Play Store. And guys, after reinstalling, you need to log in your account again in your Snapchat. And guys, after doing this, your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.